Yeah, you got to the, I mean, we are trying to refine our messages and and really find our vision these past really 2 3 weeks, and we got to the point that we see that this talk to the machine is really our next message, because we think that the generation, I mean, you with Walker, the things you with Walker Reynolds talk a lot about digital transformation and Industry 4.0 and all the new features and new products and everything, but and I totally agree, and I would like to be there very much. But I think that it is very much about the people, not about the technology so much. It's about the people that, I mean, when we started, my business partner, Roth, and I, we thought of a tool for ourselves, for engineers like us, that would be easier. But
Yeah.
now we see that there are two generations younger than us. I mean, even there are people. I mean, you're not even 30, but there is a younger generation that was
Yeah,
born.
they're even coming in stronger under me, right? Like,
Yeah,
a couple of years
yeah,
ago, someone might have said like, you're one of the youngest people doing that, but now it's not the case. And
hmm,
yeah, because it's kind of crazy. So I do believe in the fact that, even when I learned ladder logics from the very beginning, I'm like, this is kind of dated. Like I'm used to interfaces like Python or platforms like Ignition where you can kind of drag and drop. I'm like,
yeah,
why
yeah.
is that not? I mean, and in some sense, you do kind of have that with ladder logic. Like you can drag on the contacts, but why, I don't know, view it in the form of the contact when that was originally created to allow electrical engineers, which were familiar with
You're right.
relay diagrams, to be able to allow them to basically do a programmatic. That's what a PLC originally was created for. It's a programmable relay controller
Hmm,
essentially.
hmm.
But
Yeah.
now it's much more than that, right? Now it's like it's it's automating your entire process, right?
Hmm.
So
And, and think about it, that the guys that are joining the workforce now, they were born with an iPhone. They are used to talking to Siri, and
right.
suddenly you tell them, okay, you need to get into a technology that was created 50 years ago. And it's crazy. Imagine an MIT graduate learning ladder diagram, ladder logic. I mean, it's crazy.
They're,
I
they're
mean,
gonna be like, yeah, right. You can't pay me enough to do that. Like, I'm gonna go work for
yeah,
Google.
yeah, you're right. I mean, look at people like you, that you had to reinvent yourself. I mean, it's not only because of this. Yeah, it's also because you wanted a different kind of life. But
Right, right.
I
But there
mean,
were things there were things like that I didn't like about the industry. And so I'm like, if I just stay part of like an engineer just working at a company for that, I can't really affect change. But I can affect change if I kind of go outside and then talk about it and just
mhm,
apply something that I saw working for consumer tech, apply that YouTuber content creation strategy to industrial tech, and be one of the few people that are out there doing it, and get more people doing it, so we can kind of create a new market right on LinkedIn for automation.